What do we have here, Lorenzo? Whoa.
Wow. Oh, yeah.
Look at that. Sarge. What is this? Ooh, Boost and Snot Rod. Nice. That's Chick.
Yeah.
Is that Wingo?
Yeah.
Wow.
Boo, boo, boo.
Ooh. King. Ooh, it's Ramon. Hydraulic Ramon. Who is it? Ooh, Lightning McQueen. Chick. Who's that? Sally.
Yeah.
Doc Hudson. Ooh, Snot Rod. Another Snot Rod. Look at that. Who's this? Ooh, Lightning Ramon. So we got another Ramon. Ooh, Dynaco Lightning McQueen. Ooh, Vader. Ooh, Ramon. Look, a yellow Ramon. Cam. This is really cool. Who is that? Oh, Sally again. Who's that? Lizzie. Cop car. Ooh, Sheriff. Boost. Wow, look at that. That's a cool car. So we got two of Boost. We got two of Snot Rod. Who's that? Ramon. Ghostlight Ramon. Who's that, Lorenzo? Dale Earnhardt Jr. There's more cars? Oh my gosh, let's pull them out. Who else? Fabulous Doc Hudson. Wow. Who's this? Leakless. Fillmore. Ooh, another Ramon. What's that? Ooh, another Ramon. Hydraulic Ramon. We got a lot of Ramones. Mario Andretti. Sarge. Ooh, Nitrate. Tomater. Look at that. The old Tomater. So these are the ones we're definitely gonna open. Look at all the different Ramones. So this is Boost. Look at Boost. Do you like it? He's a cool car. Lightning McQueen. So this is Cruising Lightning McQueen. Nice. You ready to see Ham?
Yeah.
All right, let's see. Wow.
Cool.
Ham is cool. Look, you could even put a quarter in him if you wanted to, Lorenzo. You want to do Lizzie next?
Yeah.
Okay, everybody get a good look at Lizzie. Lizzie is very small compared to the other cars. Let's take Boost for instance. Lizzie is quite small. Here you go, Lorenzo. Who's next? Ooh, King?
Yeah.
Look at King. Who's next? Lightning McQueen, and it's Dynaco Lightning McQueen. So let's see here. Wow, look at that. Ooh. Is this Snot Rod? Wow. Let's see. Ramon. Wow, and it's Lightning Ramon, so he looks like Lightning McQueen. Ooh, here he comes. You ready? Whoa. You like his paint? Look at his paint. He's orange. He's orange just like Snot Rod. Oh, Ramon and Flo. Look at that. Ramon and Flo, Lorenzo. Let's get them open. Let's do Flo first. Look at Ramon, everybody. Who's that? Wow, it's Mario Andretti. Excited to see him. Wow. Look at that, Lorenzo. Mm-hmm. Who's that? Sarge, look at it. Sarge. There we go. Wow. Look at Sarge. Cool? You like him? Cool. Ooh, look at this guy, Leakless. He's a race car.
Yeah.
From the first movie.
Yeah, I'll tell you.
Look at this. Dale Earnhardt Jr. Wow, this is a cool car, Lorenzo. This is a really, I like this one. This might be my favorite.
Yeah.
Wow. Lorenzo, look at this. It's a race car.
Uh-oh.
Detail. And number 8, right there. Who's next? Wow, Nitro Raid. I like this one too. This is a cool looking car. I like the gray with the white and the orange. Ooh, look at that. You like him? Ooh, Fabulous Hudson Hornet. Fabulous Hudson Hornet. There you go. Who's next? Ooh, Fillmore. Fillmore. Can you say Fillmore?
Yeah.
Say it.
Fillmore.
That works. Look at Fillmore. He's a Volkswagen van. Try him out. Ooh, he feels really smooth. Look at this.
Yeah.
He feels really smooth, right?
Yeah.
Ooh, another Ramon. I think all we have is Ramones left, but they're different versions of Ramon. So they're different colors and... Let's see this Ramon. This Ramon is really cool. Ghostlight Ramon. Look at this one, Lorenzo. It's blue. This is cool. Let's see what he looks like in blue. Wow. Hydraulic Ramon. The last one, Ramon.
Yeah.
He's the green. He changes his color a lot. Look, we got purple, orange, yellow, blue, green, and a red. Look at all of these cars, Lorenzo. We're gonna go down the list here. We're just gonna show everybody our cars. Look at all the cars. This is the current collection, Lorenzo. There might be a few missing. Hopefully not. I think we got everybody. We got Fillmore back there. Lorenzo, do you want to count how many cars you have?
Yeah.
Let's do it, but it's going to take a while. It's going to take a second to do it. So bear with me, Lorenzo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. Nobody's in there. We're gonna give these cars a ride around the track. See the track? It's too small to be able to... Oh! Oh! Oh, Doc hit Lizzie up there. Did you see that? Snot rod? Let's see. Wow. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh. Dale Earnhardt Jr. Look at him go. Oh, into the pit. Oh, flipped over. Let's try Mario Andretti. He's a heavy guy, though. I could tell him. I could tell he's a heavy car. And he made it. Wow. Mario Andretti shows them how to do it.